out that old R50 still going down the highway. Nice. All right, guys, so it's been some time since I filmed the Junkyard video. So today I'm in the Junkyard. There's 4 new R50s that just got put out this morning. So I figured I would just come over here, get some parts that I'm looking for, and give you guys a little video. So we just arrived at the Nissan SUV section. I was trying to attack from the front, but they have the road blocked off in the front, so I guess we'll go from the rear. Yes. So here's a 1997 R50 Pathfinder in black. This is a 15-inch wheel and tire. I was thinking about grabbing this guy. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to do that or not. Let me nose around this thing. Oh, it only has 3 out of the 4 wheel center caps. At a minimum, we're probably going to take the third brake light. Except maybe this latch. I'll have to think about that one. I already have a replacement latch, but I think this one would be even better, because none of the plastic parts are damaged or worn really. And this thing looks practically brand new. I'm just saying. Well, let me see what's up with these wheel center caps. I'm probably going to grab these. I'm still scheming on potentially taking this wheel. Really and truly, the only reason why I'm looking at it is because it's a Falcon Wild Peak and it's a 15-inch diameter tire. But I'm going to take a look and see how old it is. It is worn, but it will serve as a spare. That's my plan for it anyway. Initially, I couldn't find the date code, and I thought I had gone mechanically illiterate when it comes to reading date codes. But it turns out that the date code was actually on the inside of the tire. So whoever mounted this thing mounted it backwards. But here's our date code. It dates back to 2018, and it does have some signs of dry rot, so we're gonna skip over that. So here's what's left of a 1998 R50 Pathfinder in gray, 2-wheel drive automatic, trunks locked. I want to get the third brake light. This one looks like it's still in great shape. We have this silver 2001 R50 Pathfinder, also a LE trim. If I can even get in there. Really? Oh, come on, man. Oh, you stinker. So that means if anybody wants to get into this thing, we're going to have to break some stuff. I'm not going to be the guy. So here's what's left of a 2003 R50 Pathfinder. This one looks like, oh wow. Very nice. I mean, this one is nice. So this is a LE trim. No floor mats, but still really nice. But never mind the inside. What I'm actually after, potentially, is these manual locking hubs here. These are Rugged Ridge. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to get them or not. Honestly, they're kind of cheap. But, you know, if you're looking for something to fit your SE style wheels, these are the way to go. Because they fit. The CV axles on the front of this, they look practically brand new. I think I'll be back to get these. Keep them as spares just in case the ones that I have on my R50 happen to break. But it's nice to have spares, you know. This R50 has a couple of sweet window visors. Wonder if I can get those off without breaking them. I really and truly only came here for one part, which was this passenger side striker for a viewer. They've been waiting on this for weeks now, so finally got one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that shipped off today potentially. And again, these window rain guards, this was a bonus. Also the wheel center caps, I'll be able to sell these. And then I have a third brake light inside of my toolbox here. So that's going to be everything. I'm going to go ahead and head out of here now. The Rugged Ridge manual locking hubs, the reason why I didn't just jump on them and pull them is because I don't know if anyone's going to really want to pay any serious money for those. The Warren manual locking hubs, we can sell those all day. But the Rugged Ridge, you don't need to go through me to buy them. I'm going to go ahead and head out of here now. I think I got everything I need. 99.5 R50. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. As a reminder, links to all of the parts used on my R50 build can be found in the description of this video. And if you've enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a like. And while you're at it, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement.